They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is outstanding fielding. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
And he helps himself to a 6. That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Bang! Into the gap for 4. That was pretty ordinary delivery. Got what it deserved. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
The ball had off to the boundary. See you later written all over it. What good batting that is. Excellent shot making. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Deep point in place.
He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Oh, that's marvelous. Looks even better in the replay. Another field change.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a 6.
That is straight out of the middle of the bat. Can he do it again?
What's happening here? The bowler must have had a few words with the batsman. The batsman, however, is in no mood for a conversation.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Plays and misses. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
That was an absolute gift for the batsman, and he cashed in. Another field change.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He has picked up the length on that so early. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6. Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Things are really heating up and he's getting at the bowler, letting him know exactly where he's going to put the next one.
He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. That was pretty ordinary delivery. Got what it deserved.